Hey everyone, it's Angela. Today we are going to create a life insurance multi-step form or quiz funnel using LanderLab. And as you can see, I already have my landing page ready. So I'm only going to Elements and drag and drop the quiz element into my landing page. And let's create it from scratch together. Here is everything we are going to work on. And first things first, let's update our headline. And the first thing I want to ask them is, what is your zip code? I go here to add new block, search for zip, select, and boom, there it is. It is very, very easy. Now I'm going to update my step name here. And zip code, this makes it easier for me to navigate once I have a lot of steps, and also if I want to use conditional logic. You can also choose the country here for the zip code. On the list, I will leave it US. For the moment, if you go here to validation, you can make this a required field, so they cannot skip this step. Let's add a new step and ask, when is your birthday? Add a new block and search for date of birth. Let's rearrange it here, and you can choose the date format. It can be day, month, year, day, month, etc. I'm going to leave it day, month, year for now. Update my step name as birthday, and I will add another step where I want to ask them how much coverage are you looking for? And new block and search for range slider. Let's rearrange this. Okay. And as you can see, you can set a minimum here and a maximum. I'm going to leave the minimum to 1,000 and make the maximum to 10,000. This is very easy. You can simply slide this and they will select their amount. Let's remove the label. Okay, and data step name as coverage amount. Let's add a new step now. And next, I want to ask them what coverage term are they looking for? Let's go here and add a multiple choice. Okay, and now let's update our options here. We can make this 10-year term, 20-year term, and let's leave another option as not sure yet. Let's remove the label. Okay, and if we go here to settings, you can see that you can allow this to be a multiple choice or not. We don't want that for the moment, so I will leave the toggle off. You can randomize this and sort alphabetically. If you go here to navigation, you can choose what happens after they click, let's say, 10-year term. You can choose they go to the next step, go to step, conditional, custom URL, just do nothing. If you choose conditional, or let's say they choose 10-year term, they go to step and you select, or let's say zip code. This is not our case, so I won't do this for now, but this is the logic behind it. I will choose go to next step here, and I will remove the continue button because after they select this, they will automatically go to the next step. Let's update here as coverage term and add a new step now. I want to ask them now for their first name and last name. So I will update my headline as "Let us know more about you." Go here to, and if you go here to predefine, you can simply choose first name. There it is. It is very, very easy, and last name. Okay. You don't really have to do anything here. You can just go maybe to validations and make this a required field if this is an important step to you. The step name. And the final step, I want to know their email address and phone number. So I will say, how can we reach out to you? And the block, search for email, and the new block, and search for phone number. I'm going to delete this continue button. And as you can see, we have phone and email verification. You can simply enable it here, and they will have to validate their email and phone number. And this way, this saves you a lot of time and money, so you don't waste time and spend on not qualified leads. I'm going here to add a new block, search for submit, and this way my leads will be all stored. I'm going to leave the submit. You can maybe add an animation to this button and choose what happens after they click the submit button. Do nothing, go to a step, go to next step, custom URL. We'll make this next step. Update my step name. And I want to add like some kind of validation to them that we will reach out to you soon. Delete this button here, and I will search for a loader. This way they know that, okay, someone will maybe email me or call me. And, okay, so now let's update our quiz. And here we have it. Wait for LanderLab to auto-save this. And let's run a test together. This is your zip code. I will enter only dummy numbers for now. Launch coverage. Okay, so you can see this is very easy. 10-year. And our loader is here. And now let's head back to LanderLab. Go here to leads. And there it is. Here is our leads are stored. They are stored inside of LanderLab, so you don't really need a separate CRM for this. Everything is stored inside here. So you can see email, zip code, date of birth, everything. I hope that this was helpful, and see you in the next one.